let's go. So today I'm taking you to the largest shopping mall for IT, MBK Center, and it's gonna be so much fun. I'm on the way there right now. Woo! Oh my god, just kidding, I'm already here. So why are we here today? So basically I'm gonna go through a couple of checklists to see if actually MBK Center has all the IT stuff that I want to go see. So here are the checklists for today. Let's go. The leading brand of IT, electronic repair shop, second-hand electric shop, international SIM card store, IT gadgets, phone case shop, and screen protector shop. So tell me, are you ready? Are you all ready to go see with me? If it's all gonna be there, let's go! Woohoo! So guys, I just entered MBK Center, MBK, and it looks absolutely amazing. So we've got like different shops here. It's crazy how all these stuffs are all here. All these shops are all here. So right now, our main goal, our main destination is to go to the IT destination hub where we all are gonna see all the checklists I'm gonna go through. So, are you ready for it? Because I am. Oh yeah, let's go. Look at this. Wow, this is awesome. MBK Center has a lot of people, very international. You know, I'm very excited. So guys, I'm on the 4th floor of the Mobile and IT Floor International Hub for IT at MBK Center. It's so beautiful. There's so much stuff. Like right here, this is the international SIM card store. Wow, just one of my checklists I want to go to. And we got the leading brand, Studio 7 right here. We got phone shops here, repair shops here. Look at that. This is crazy. So I'm actually believing it right now, what they say. Everything is here, everything here. And we got here, fixing your phone, repair, screen protector. Everything on the checklist is coming true. Over here, we got the telecom services, AIS, True, all in one floor. Can you believe it? I can't believe this because everything is in one floor. So right now, something caught my eye, something really interesting. The Case Club right here. Wow, they have a lot of cases here. It seems like they collab with other brands. That's so cool. Yeah, let me go inside the shop. There's something interesting here that I want to see. Wow, look at that. The shop is huge. This is just something new for me. I've never seen anything like this. I heard they have collaboration with Rally. So they have a collaboration with Rally, which is right here, guys. Can you see it? That's a lot of cases. See, guys, they have different types of cases. Right here, they have the one with the ID card. You can put your ID card in it. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's so awesome. And look at this. They have another one where you can actually hold it with your fingers. So that's another crazy one, which I'm really interested about. But you know what actually caught my eye? See, I want to go for something simple. So, you know, I'm going to ask them that, can they do a case for me? I love this one. This one is looking so nice. This is so beautiful. Look at that. So I'm going to go ask them if they can make a customization case for me because that would look so amazing on my iPhone. But first, let me go ask them. For this case, do you have for the iPhone 12?
Yeah, we can customize.
You can customize for me? Really? You know, this is so beautiful. It's so nice. So I really want it. So how long will it take around?
Around 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yes.
Faster than grab bike? Whoa. Okay, that's crazy. So I'm gonna go look around and I'll be back in 10 minutes. Yeah? Yeah? Thank you so much. See you. Oh wow, that's crazy. 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes for them to just customize. That's so fast. But wait, whoa. K Accessory Store. K Accessory Store right there. I'm so excited because you know what, guys, I was looking for is coming true. Basically, my iPhone stand with the LED. Look at this, guys. Look at the options they have. Wow, look at that. Oh my god. Let's go inside and let's go see what they actually have. There's so many options in the store and I really wanna discover what is actually in the store. These car accessories, nice headphones, guys. They got the wireless type, they got the different types of headphones. There's everything here, guys. So they got some selfie sticks, yeah, selfie sticks for you content creators out there. But at the end, I came for one thing that I wanted in my heart. Let's go check out the iPhone stands. Let's go, because I need it for my shooting, for my content. So here we got different types of stands. What else do you have, like interesting ones? Like, okay, can I see that? Look at that. So it's like a mini LED light on this, like a ring light. So they got here the mini LED lights here. Ah, wow, that's really nice. So you like press like that? Yeah? Okay. Oh, can you change the colors too? Oh wow. You can change the colors bright to white to like bright orange. So there's different types of colors you can change. Best for me, I would use this one, you know. Very easy for me to take everywhere and very easy for me to have like a miniature of a lighting on my face. So that would be very interesting. Let me try this out. I really like this one. Can I get this one? Yeah. So guys, I got my best option. So I was looking for the tripod thing for so long with the LED light, and I got it. I got what I really wanted, and here at K Accessory Stores, I've gotten what I wanted. All the options were amazing, but I got this one. Can I take this one? Yeah, it's so nice. It's so beautiful. I really like it. So guys, I got my tripod ready and I'm so excited to go pick up my case. That's the next thing we're gonna do. So let's go. Wow, oh my God. So my case is ready. Can I see that? Oh wow, can I see that first? So guys, they basically did my case up here. Look at that, guys. That's so nice. That's so cool. Oh my God, thank you so much. So guys, I've gotten my case too. So you know what I was thinking about? Since I'm here, I've gotten my tripod, I've gotten my case, so why not go get my screen protector? Everything is here, so why not do it all here? You know, so let's go, and let's go to the screen protector shop and get my screen done. Woo! So guys, I'm on the way to find the best screen protector shop. You know guys, there's a lot of little shops around here, little lanes, you know. You get different things around here. Headphones, iPhone repair shops. You get a lot of things going on here, accessories. And whoa, something just caught my eye. Guys, the FF phone here. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
Yes, my name is Shivam. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, so who are these guys?
The actors who change screen protector with me.
Oh, really? Actors?
Yes,
so
yes.
they all come change screen protectors with you?
Yes.
So all these Thai actors come change the screen protector with her? Wow, that's amazing. So can you like recommend me? I want to change my screen protector. Which one would be the best?
I have this one for the High Shield brand.
Is this the best one?
Yes.
Okay.
The good one is very clear and
Okay.
no, when
Can
you
see
touch,
that?
it's no fingerprint
Okay,
on.
wow. Basically the high shield screen protector, which is very interesting because I wanted to change my screen protector for a long time, and you know what? I found the perfect place. So all the actors changed to this one.
Yes.
So I'm going to be like one of these actors now. I really want to change, you know? So wow, it's interesting. So you've been here for a long time?
Yes,
Yeah?
long time.
Very
Around
interesting.
12 years.
Yeah, so you know, I saw your shop and I was very like, you know, excited. You know, I saw all these photos. So can I change my
Yes.
screen protector?
What model?
Yeah, iPhone 12.
Yes,
Here,
okay.
thank you so much. Oh wow, I got a brand new phone, guys. Look at that. Oh my God, the screen protector looks amazing. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Your service will not be forgotten. Thank you so much. Guys, I got like a new phone. Wow, this is amazing. The services here is just out of this world. I'm so excited, and right now I'm so hungry right now. Let's go get something to eat now. Oh, it's been a very tiring day today, and you know what? I just followed the smell of something so beautiful, and here I am at the shop. What is this? Coconut. Okay, so are they Thai crepes? Yes? No, Thai. Wow. How long has your shop been here? 30 years. 30 years. It's like before I was born too, guys. Like, wow, that's crazy. So can I try one? Yeah? Thank you, guys. Look at that. Look at that, guys. That just looks absolutely amazing, delicious. Let's try it. Wow. You know, it just melts in my mouth, so crispy, it's so good. MBK Center is the IT destination for you all. So since I said in the beginning of the video, I'm gonna go through a checklist, and those checklists have been completed. Let me go through it again. Leading brand of IT, check. Electronic repair shop, second-hand electronic shop, international SIM card store, IT gadgets, phone case shop, and screen protector shop, all checked. So you know what? This is a destination to be. You get everything here. I got my screen protector. I got my iPhone customized case. I got my tripod, which is amazing. So come here and you'll get everything you want. You won't regret it. And basically, try this Thai crepe because it's so delicious. And I'll see you guys next time. It's about time for me to eat.